first of all, John has some phenomenal products. Mitozen is incredible. I love all his products. I encourage any one of you that are not members to his supplement website. You will find the best vitamins that you can either stick up your tushy, just put a lot of coconut oil, or take them, yes, because it hurts when you don't, or take them orally. And so my plan that I have is I have Mitozen, and I also have CellCore, because CellCore gives you a complete reset, and it really helps purge those parasites out. And John has some glutathione products and some NAD products. Just all of these things are a big picture. You can't just do parasite cleanses without doing all the rest. In fact, he's got some phenomenal spray that I use every morning and night. My husband's addicted to it, and it keeps the nose passage clean, because why? You get parasites and bacteria there. He's got stuff for the mouth. He's got stuff for your ears. All of these things is a full picture of how to take care of yourself inside and out.